Hey, welcome to the show. Take a look at this phone case from Simtect. This is for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. When I'm touching this phone case right here, it has a nice silky touch. The buttons are sensitive buttons, so it's really nice. Here is the cutouts on the bottom. This one is for your pen, and on the other side is for your microphone. I'm going to go ahead and slide this phone in here. And the cool thing about this phone case is it is very light, it is very smooth, fits nice in the hand, but this is the part that I really love. Take a look at this. If you're worried about scratching your lens, all you have to do is close that, and ultimate protection to cover up your lens and keep them safe and not get scratched. When you're ready to take a photo, slide this open, boom, you are ready to take some photos. I really like this feature. I wish this was on more phone cases because that way you don't have to use a lens protector around your lens, and it just protects everything. So this is one nice case from Simtect, and thanks a lot. Make sure you hit the likey button and have a good day. Adios. Goodbye.